Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tables in Miro, one of the best ways to visually organize your ideas, track progress, or collaborate with your team. Let's start by opening your Miro board. On the left sidebar, click the Tools, Media and Integrations icon. This is where you'll find different apps to enhance your workspace. In the search bar, type Table and once it appears, select it to activate the Table tool. Now, click anywhere on your board to place a default 3x3 table. If you'd like a specific size, hover your cursor over the board before placing it. This lets you choose custom dimensions right from the start. Once your table appears, you can add or remove rows and columns using the small plus icons along the edges. To resize cells, just drag the borders. It's all fully adjustable, so your table can evolve as your project grows. If you want to tweak specific columns, hover over a column header and click the menu icon that appears. Here you can rename, hide, or delete any field to keep your table neat and focused. And that's it. You now know how to use tables in Miro to organize information clearly and efficiently. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Miro 2025 guides for more tips. Happy organizing!